What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Est-West Personal Loan. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung step-by-step process kung paano mag-apply sa Est-West Personal Loan at saka pag-uusapan din natin yung pinakamalaking pwede ma-loan at kung magkano yung minimum. At the same time, bibigyan ko kayo guys ng sample computation kung magkano yung magiging monthly amortization nyo sa kung magkano yung i-loan ninyo, kung magkano yung monthly interest rate. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. So as you can see guys, loans, personal loan, get up to 3 million pesos, easy payments of up to 60 months. So why loan with Est-West guys? So multi-purpose loan facility up to 3 million pesos. Use your loan proceeds for any financing need you may have. Loanable amounts range from 25,000 to 3 million pesos. So yung minimum loan amount ng personal loan ni Est-West guys is 25,000. Tapos yung maximum naman loanable amount is 3 million. Then affordable financing term options, experience lighter monthly installment payments to allow you to better manage cash flow with available financing terms. So, ibig sabihin guys, sinasabing financing terms is kung gaano nyo siya katagal babayaran. Merong 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, 36 months, 48 months, and 60 months. Which is yun yung pinakamatagal na pwede nyong bayaran yung balak nyong i-personal loan sa Est-West. At competitive interest rate. No collateral needed. Applying for a loan is easy. No collateral or co-maker needed. So, itong no collateral needed guys, kapag meron kayong existing credit card from Est-West or from other banks which is 9 months old na siya sa inyo. 9 na buwan na katagal ninyo ginagamit. Then what you need to know is minimum loan amount is tulad ng sinabi ko 25,000, then maximum loan amount finance is 3 million. Minimum terms is 12 months or 1 year. So minimum terms of payment nyo guys kung gaano siya katagal bayaran is 12 months yung pinakamababa. Then yung pinakamatagal is yung 60 months or 5 years. Then nandito guys yung sample computations ng monthly interest rate with existing credit card or bank loan of at least 9 months tulad ng sabi ko. So nakikita nyo dito guys, tenor. Ibig sabihin ng tenor guys is kung gaano katagal yung loan ninyo. Sa 12 months guys, yung monthly rate niya is 1.79. So kahit gaano mo siya katagal bayaran, up to 5 years, 1.79. Nakikita nyo, 1.79%. Factor rate is 0.073456 sa 12 months. Sa contractual interest rate is 37.54% PA, which means per annum, kada taon. Then effective interest rate is 50.27% PA per annum. Sa 12 months yun. Tapos, ayan, may 18 months, 24 months, 36 months, 48 months, 60 months. Basahin nyo na lang kasi matatagalan tong vlog na to kung iisa-isahin ko siya. Tapos, nandito naman tayo, move on naman tayo guys sa without existing credit card or bank loan of at least 9 months. So, eto, yung monthly interest rate niya guys is mataas kapag wala kayong existing credit card or bank loan for about 9 months. 1.99% yung monthly rate niya. Pare-parehas yan guys hanggang 60 months man kung gaano nyo siya katagal bayaran. 1.99% yung monthly rate niya. Tapos sa 12 months, example natin is 0.10%. Contractual interest rate, 41.51% per annum. Then, effective interest rate naman is 56.19% per annum. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, mas mataas itong walang existing credit card or bank loan for the past 9 months kesa sa may existing credit card or may loan na at least 9 months. Kasi may loan na kayo or may binabayaran na kayong annual fee sa credit card, parang yun yung perks and benefits ng merong ganun. Then, ito guys, may disclaimer sila, contractual and effective interest rates in the tables above are computed based on a loan amount of 100,000 and processing fee of 1,900. So, yung nakita nyo na example guys, yan ay example para sa 100,000 kung magkano yung niloan ninyo. Tapos, nandito, rates shown are indicative only and may change upon approval depending on your approved loan amount, tenor, and applicable fees such as loan processing fee and documentary stamp tax. So, kapag mas mababa sa 100,000 yung niloan ninyo or mataas, mag-iiba yung computation dito sa nakita nyo kanina. Ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin guys kung paano mag-apply ng personal loan sa Est-West. Nandito nakalagay guys, step 1 is click on the apply now button to access the personal loan chatbot. So, pag click nyo yung apply now guys, mariredirect kayo papunta sa ESTA. Pwede kayong pumunta sa website mismo ni S2S, check nyo dun guys yung personal loan. Tapos may makikita kayong apply now. Ayan, nakikita nyo, ganyan siya. Pangalawang step is fill out the required fields within the chatbot and read through the terms and conditions as well as the data privacy consent. So, basahin nyo yung terms and conditions guys. Merong silang pinapatupad doon. So, kung hindi kayo nag-agree, malamang hindi kayo pwedeng tumuloy ng personal loan ninyo kasi kailangan nyo mag-agree doon sa kagustuhan nila kasi that's their implemented rules and regulation or terms and conditions. Nakikita nyo, step 1 of 8. So, hanggang step 8 po kung mag-filled out kayo ng personal loan ninyo. Please input all required fields. First name, middle name, last name, suffix, birth date, citizenship. So, hanggang 8 step siya. Hindi ko siya iisa-isahin kasi matatagalan tayo guys kapag isa-isahin ko siya. Yun yung gagawin nyo. Kailangan i-filled out yan. Tapos, click nyo yung save. Tapos, magne-next ulit yun. Hahanapan kayo ng proof of income. Ganyan. Pangatlo is upload documentary requirements and submit your application. So, nakikita nyo guys, ayan. Mapapansin nyo kapag sa step 3, hihinga na kayo, nakalagay dito, please prepare this for a smoother application process. Identification documents, income documents, validate your biometrics with a selfie. So, andito na yung last part. Papasok nyo na yung identification documents ninyo, yung proof of income, magsa-selfie kayo, video nyo, parang video selfie, then next nyo lang siya, easy banking is right at your fingertips. Then i-agree nyo lang, I agree to the application agreement, I agree to the data privacy policy. May babasahin kayo doon, medyo mahaba-haba, scroll down nyo lang, then I agree nyo siya. Ganun din sa I agree to data privacy policy. Pag na-check na yan, pwede nyo na maklik yung Get Started. Tapos yun, wait na kayo ng approval kung kayo ba ay approve or hindi. Ngayon guys, pag-uusapan naman natin yung sample monthly computation. Are you an active credit card holder or bank loan account holder for at least 9 months? Tinatanong nila guys kasi, di ba kanina magkaiba yung interest rate sa mayroong existing credit card at existing bank loan kesa sa wala. Ngayon, kung mag-yes kayo, iba yung magiging result. Kung mag-no naman kayo, iba yung magiging result. So, desired loan amount. Halimbawa, guys, is 50,000 pesos. Then, i-click natin yung calculate. So, nandito yung nakalagay, your computed result, terms is 12, monthly installment is 5,061.67 sa 12 months yon. Sa 18 months is 3,672.78. Sa 24 months, 2,978.33. So as you can see guys, habang tumatagal nyo siya babayaran, like umabot ng 24 months to 60 months, mas mababa yung magiging monthly installment niya. Yun nga lang, yung problema is mataas yung magiging impost interest niya. Pero mas mabilis nyo siyang mabayaran. Tapos kung sa matagal nyo naman, halimbawa abutin nyo ng 60 months, maliit lang yung magiging monthly amortization pero mataas yung magiging impost interest. Sa 12 months naman, malaki yung magiging monthly installment kaso mas mababa lang yung magiging impost interest. Ngayon, kailangan yung evaluate yung kakayanin nyo magbayad. Kung kaya nyo naman bayaran yung sa 12 months, yung monthly installment, then mag 12 months na lang kayo kahit papaano, mabilis matapos at saka hindi ganun kalaki yung magiging monthly installment niya. Pero kung hindi nyo kaya bayaran yung ganun kalaking amount, much better na pumili kayo hanggang 60 months. Kung 60, hanggang 5 years nga lang siya, 1,728.33 lang yung magiging monthly installment nyo sa 50,000 na loan. So yun lamang guys. So I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching guys. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!